A for apple, apple means save. B for boy. C for cycle. D for deer. E for eagle. F for fish. G for gift. H for heron. I for ink. J for jeep. K for kiwi. L for lychee. M for muskmelon. N for knot. O for owl. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for red fort. S for strawberry. T for train. U for uncle. V for vegetables. W for wood apple. X for X-ray machine. Y for yellow. Z for Jew. 26 alphabets.